In this set of questions, you are going to look at what happens if you have a positive credit history. Now, what is a credit history? Basically, anytime you make a large financial transaction, whether that's taking a loan, opening a new credit card, opening a new bank account, those types of things are recorded in a credit history. They're shared among all these different financial institutions, like banks, credit card companies. And what they're trying to do is figure out whether you are a good customer or a bad customer, whether you pay back your money. So that's why when people take loans, whether it's for your car or your house, they look at your credit history. Anytime you want a new credit card, they look at your credit history. Sometimes when you apply for housing, when you're looking to rent an apartment someday, they will look at your credit history to see if you're a trustworthy person and you can actually pay your rent on time. So in this type of question, they're going to ask you what happens when you have a positive credit history. Well, when you have a positive credit history, good things generally happen. So let's look at these answers here as examples and see what types of things might happen with a good positive credit history. So A, an insurance company decides to increase your rates. That is a bad thing, Increase your rates means you pay more. So that's bad. That would happen potentially if you have a bad credit history. B, a bank decides to approve your request for a $5,000 loan. That's a good thing, and that definitely could happen if you have a positive credit history. So that's a potential answer here. C, a landlord decides to approve your application. So that means they're going to let you live there. Again, that could totally happen with positive credit history. D, a utility company decides to deny you service. So again, that's a bad thing, and that could happen if you have a bad credit history.